Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking some more about adjectives. We've talked about those for the last several weeks with our reading. Adjectives are words that describe other words. It means they tell you more about something. We've talked about how we can use adjectives that are color, adjectives that are size. Today we're going to look at some words that just tell you about the size and the shape of something. So these adjectives, these describing words, are going to tell us a little bit more about how something is shaped or what size it is. All right. So I want you to get this page out of your packet and get your name on the top. You're just going to need your pencil for this page. And let's look at some of these adjectives. We have three adjectives, three describing words in this box that either tell us about something's size or its shape. We've got the word round, long, and small. So we're going to look at each sentence and each picture, and we're going to think about which one of these adjectives would be the missing word that's going to tell us a little bit more and describe something about these three things, okay? So let's look at number one. We've got a dog. Let's take a good look at the dog. It says, my dog has blank ears. Okay, if you're looking at this dog, which one of these adjectives do you think would describe his ears? Does he have round ears, long ears, or small ears? Which one do you think it's going to be? I think he has long ears. So let's circle the word long. And we're going to copy it on the line. L-O-N-G. All lowercase. My dog has long ears. Long is a word that is describing his ears. It's telling you more about them. So it is an adjective. You can mark out long after you get it copied. And let's look at number two. These boys and girls are sitting on a rug. The sentence says, we sit on a blank rug. We've got two adjectives left. Which one do you think describes this rug? Is the rug round or is it small? It's round. It's round like a circle. So we're going to circle the word round and we're going to copy it to finish this sentence. R-O-U-N-D. We sit on a round rug. Round is an adjective that tells you the shape of that rug. We've only got one adjective left, small. Let's see if it makes sense to finish this last sentence. This sentence says, the blank mouse eats cheese. Is this mouse small? Yes, he is. It's telling us about his size. So we're going to copy the word small to finish number three. S-M-A-L-L. The mouse is small. All right, we have one last little challenge. We're going to write a sentence using one of these words. Let's use the word small. Let's see if we can think of something that's small. Bugs. Most bugs are pretty small. Let's write the bug is small. Okay, let's see how many words that is. The bug is small. How many words is that? 4. So let's come down here on this nice blank line, and the first word we're going to write is the. We always start our sentence with an uppercase letter, so I'm going to write an uppercase T, H, E. That's the word the. It is a sight word. I'm going to put a finger space. What was our next word? The bug. Let's stretch out the word bug and see what letters we hear. B-ug. B-ug. What do you hear first? B. B. U. Bug. G. G. The bug. What word is next? Is. It's a sight word. I-S. The bug is small. I'm going to look right up here. We've already written small once, and I'm going to copy it from here. So I'm going to put my finger space, and I'm going to copy small. S-M-A-L-L. do I put at the end of my sentence? A period. The bug is small. Small is the adjective that is telling us the size of that bug. It is describing it so we know more about it. Great job, and I will talk to you all later.